You know, I know you can't tell here in the studio, but outside it's super blowy at the moment. And when it's windy, shooting videos is really quite difficult because the wind makes capturing clean audio very difficult. And if people can't comfortably hear what you have to say on your video, they won't watch it. So today I'm going to give you two approaches to film in windy conditions and still get great audio. Now the first approach requires spending just a little bit of money, but option 2 is an ideal workaround that won't cost you a cent, so stick around for that. It's time to get windy. So super windy today, and normally filming in these circumstances is quite difficult because you just can't get good quality sound. But you can if you have something fluffy, which is why I've brought you down here to the guinea pig cage, because guinea pigs and this microphone have quite a bit in common. So this is one of my microphones. I have many and I have bigger and more expensive microphones, but I love this one. I connect it to my mobile phone. And the really great thing about it is it's under $100, and even though it's extremely windy, as long as I keep it pointed directly at me and I can drop it down out of shot like this, you can still hear me, and it's a really easy and convenient solution. Generally I'm shooting somebody else, so what I've actually got here is a selfie stick, and I just poke that selfie stick on top of the microphone, and that allows me to reach out and put the microphone under somebody's chin that I might be interviewing. So I'll have the camera on a tripod and then hold the microphone under their chin. They're usually only an arm's length or so away, and even if it's a slight breeze, it won't trouble the microphone at all. We get good audio, and that is really what it's all about. But as I said, the reason I brought you here is to show you we have a baby guinea pig. I'm going to show you that right now. Now, obviously, I wouldn't normally have this microphone in shot, but I've just propped it here for a second so you can still see the microphone, and I've got my hands free to get out this cute little guinea pig. Oh my goodness me. Oh, you want to come out? What are you doing? Oh, look at this little guy. Oh, hang on. Better close the door. People are getting a bit agitated there. Have a look at this. How cute is that? And the thing is, he has the same fluffiness as the microphone. Look, he probably think it's his mummy. Hello, Fluffy meets Fluffy. So if you're going to film outside in the wind, get yourself a Fluffy or a baby guinea pig and cover the microphone with your baby guinea pig and you'll be sorted. I promised you a second approach to filming in windy conditions, so instead of recording a piece to camera outside, script whatever you'd like to say and record it as a voiceover like this. The advantage to this approach is that you can script everything out and record the perfect narration to accompany your action. Guinea pigs fed. When you have the cash, never be afraid to invest in tools that add value to your overall production, and a mic with a Fluffy is a rock solid investment. Microphones are one of those few things you can actually invest in today and still be using 10 or 20 years down the track. In fact, I've got a couple of microphones there approaching that kind of age, which is just scary. So, have you had any kind of challenges when you're shooting video? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll look forward to seeing you next Sunday.